Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. These are my nails after 3 weeks of growth, and today I'm going to show you how I soak them off in under 30 minutes. This is what I do each time unless I fill them in. I'm just going to cut them down as short as possible, and then I'm going to go right in with my e-file. Today I'm using it at 20,000 rotations per minute with a coarse drill bit. Definitely don't use it that high if you're not comfortable with the drill though. This is just the speed that I like to do it at because it removes the bulk of the product faster. At minimum, you want to remove the polish, and you can remove more of the product if you like. If not, you're just going to be soaking off for longer. But like I said, I like to use it this high because it gets off more product. So I'm just going to take off the polish and as much of the product, and then I'm going to go in and soak them in acetone.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder. Had me going never once I told you no.
Also, periodically as I'm doing this, I like to check the side of my nail just to make sure I'm not getting too thin or that I haven't actually gotten any of the bulk off the nail. Since I do typically wear sculpted, you can definitely see the apex, and I just want to make sure that it is flattened down a bit. Now I am using the double boiler method. I have hot water on the bottom, acetone in the top, and then I'm just going to cover up my hand with a towel to retain the heat.
Later.
I had to hold you down, hold it down.
After letting them soak, they look like this, and I'm just going to take a cuticle pusher and remove all of the excess product that has softened up. You do not have to remove 100% of the product, but I do try to remove the bulk of it if I'm doing a new set or if I am just wearing my natural nails.
Boy, I had to hold you down, hold it down. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love or would you back down and let a hope drown?
And at this point, I'm just going to go in with my regular prep. So I'm pushing back the cuticles, and then I'm going to go in with the sanding band and my hand file.
Everything will break us up for good. Would you hang around? We know we got right now. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, soñé que me querías, pero no es cierto. Solo lo haces pa' que yo esté contento. La chispa de la llama se apagó lento. Cambiamos mentiras por juramentos. Sabía todo de ella, pero ahora ya no lo sé. Siempre has estado tan bella, pero has cambiado, mujer.
When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love or would you back down and let a hope drown?
Siendo que ya no te tengo, o al menos yo no tu.
And I'm not doing this to thin out the nail. I'm just doing it to regulate the texture so it's not bumpy and rigid before I apply my next product. And I did hit this nail in a door, which caused the side of it to lift. And then I got a greenie here. It's not fungus. It has been exposed to the air. Clearly, I don't have the extension anymore, so the bacteria from the moisture is dead. And here are my nails after I've washed my hands. Normally, I will wash my hands, apply some primer, and then a top coat just to seal them until I decide to put on extensions again, or I'll just wash my hands and then start my prep for my next set. But this is the finished product, you guys. Comment down below if you have any video suggestions. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.